Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft on Raspberry Pi. First, you'll need to prepare your Raspberry Pi. Begin by downloading the official Raspberry Pi operating system and flashing it onto a micro SD card. Once that's done, insert the card into your Raspberry Pi, connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and then power it up. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's get Minecraft installed. Open the terminal application on your Raspberry Pi desktop. First, type sudo apt update and press enter to refresh your package lists. This ensures you have access to the latest software. Next, type sudo apt install Minecraft Pi and press enter. The system will then download and install the game for you, which usually takes just a few moments. With Minecraft installed, you're ready to play. Head over to the main menu on your Raspberry Pi desktop. You'll find Minecraft Pi Edition listed under the Games section. Simply click on its icon to launch the game. Once it loads, you can start a new world and immediately dive into the Blocky universe, ready to explore, build, and unleash your creativity. To get the best performance from Minecraft on your Raspberry Pi, here are a few tips. Ensure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM for smoother gameplay. It's also a good idea to close any other applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources. Finally, consider adding a heatsink or a small fan to your Raspberry Pi for better thermal management, especially during longer play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.